the above numbers terminating or recurring and non-terminating? This is a question, but the answer is no, because they are neither terminating, that means there is no end of decimal digit. Okay, there is no end decimal digit, as well as non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating means there is no end term. If we have end term, that is called as terminating decimal, and then if we don't have the last digit, that is non-terminating decimal. And recurring, it is not repeated also. Okay, it is continuing, but we have different numbers only. Then hence they are not rational numbers, so we are not calling these numbers as rational numbers. Rational numbers means it should be in the form of p by q. That means they cannot be written in the form of p by q. We couldn't able to write this as the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to z and q does not equal to 0. Therefore, these numbers are called irrational numbers. So, the definition of irrational number is a number having non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion is an irrational number. So, what is irrational number? A number which has non-terminating decimal as well as non-recurring decimal expansion. Okay, that's only called irrational number.